Hello friends, today discuss about micro teaching subject commerce 2020-21. I am Mr. Ravindra Shokaire, roll number 131. Micro teaching submitted to second induction program HRDC Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Aurangabad. I am from Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, KSKW Arts, Science and Commerce College, Sidco, Nasik, Maharashtra. Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today discuss about TY-BCom syllabus, Business Regulatory Framework, is also known as MLAW. In this subject, in first term, we study 4 topics. In first term, first topic is Law of Contracts and also known as General Principles, Indian Contract Act 1872. In this topic, we study definition, concept and kinds of contract, offer and acceptance, capacities of parties, consideration, consent and pre-consent, legality of object and consideration, void agreement, discharge of contract, breach of contracts and remedies, including asserting damages. In this subject, in second topic is law partnership. Friends, in commerce we studied general meaning and definition of partnership, but in this topic we study background of legal partnership. In this topic we study first is 2.1 Indian Partnership Act 1932, partnership, definition and characteristics, types of partnership, liabilities of partnership, dissolution of partnership. In this topic, we newly study Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. In this topic, including damages, meaning and kinds, rules for LLP, characteristics, types of partners, rights, duties of limited liability partnership. It's also introduced as LLP, limited liability partnership. We study concept, natures, advantages, difference between partnership and LLPs, difference between LLP and companies. We study incorporation of LLP, partnership and their relation, liability of LLP, financial disclosure by LLP, contribution, assignment and transfer of partnership rights. In this third topic is we study sale of goods and legal languages. Sale of Goods Act 1930. We study contract of sales. We study concept and essential information about sale and agreement to sales. We study basic meaning of goods, concept of goods and kinds of goods. We study condition and warranties, definition and difference between condition and warranties, implied condition and warranties, transfer by non-owners, and we also study rights of unpaid seller and remedial measures. In this subject, we study 4 topics. 4 topics is e-contracts, also known as e-transaction or e-commerce. In these topics, we study significance of e-transaction or e-commerce, nature's formation and legality, recognition of e-transaction and e-commerce. In this fourth topic, we study some section under the IT Act 2000 relating to attribution, acknowledgement, dispatch of e-records. We also study digital signature, meaning and functions, digital signature certificate, legal issue involved in e-contracts. So friends, this is the syllabus of business regulatory framework, is also known as MLAW. Thank you.